Well, hello, it's Beth Boyle, Iowa Trail Rider, and we are on our way to McKee, Kentucky for the Wild Dog Ride. It's a private ride hosted by a man and a wife that they say is an extreme trail ride. So we're really looking forward to it. So we are in kind of south central Kentucky, south of Lexington. And I don't know if you can see out the window here, but we are in the hills for sure. And it's really getting beautiful. The leaves are just starting to turn. It's October 2nd and really getting pretty here. So by the time the ride's over, I'll bet these hills will just be ablaze with beautiful fall colors. So thank you for watching. Please do take a moment to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it. And thanks again. We'll see what this Wild Dog Ride is all about. Well, good morning from the Wild Dog Ride near McKee, Kentucky. It's our first morning here, and it is a beauty. A little cool this morning. The leaves are just starting to change. Gosh, by the end of the week, I bet it's going to be really beautiful here. In the back, you can see the part of the camp that's on one side of the barn that they use for their dance floor and their music and their gathering area. And yeah, it looks like it's just going to be a beautiful day. Really looking forward to getting a ride in today. So this is an organized ride, and there'll be, I think they said 88 riders here this time. This is Monday. Riders are gathering, setting up camp, and we'll be doing some informal riding today. The organized ride provides supper, entertainment, and meals for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So yeah, we're in the hills of Kentucky, and really excited for our first ride today. See what this is all about. We got my great oak leather goods set out for sale here today as a vendor. So hoping to sell a few things as well, and hope you have a great day. And please do watch the video to the end. I'll do my best to get some bloopers in. And if you could take a moment to subscribe to the channel, it would mean a lot. Encourage me to do further videos. So our first ride here at Wild Dog is sure a pretty one. We've been riding a combination of kind of one-lane pig paths through the woods, and then some of these, I don't know if they're logging trails or four-wheel drive trails, but boy, it's sure been a beautiful day. It's not quite 70 degrees. It's the first week of October, and it is just beautiful. We've got, I don't know, I would guess probably 30 horses in our bunch, and most of them gaited. So, but yeah, just have a beautiful, beautiful ride today. My sister Susan on decks is in front of me, and I'm back on my young horse Casper, who's doing a great job. So pretty today. Sure is pretty. We're keeping up a pretty good pace today. Quarter horse is having to work on keeping up, but nothing major. There's been plenty of breaks. It's such a beautiful day. now we're coming in from our first ride. And oh, what a beautiful, beautiful day. It's maybe barely 70 degrees. There's a nice breeze. Yeah, it just, oh, such a beautiful day. I think we're having a vendor provide shrimp boil tonight. Yeah, it's not included in the ride, but yeah, if you want to, you can buy yourself a serving out of the shrimp boil. So, yeah, nice ride. Easy, easy. There you go. That's a good boy. Good morning, everybody. From Beth Boyle, Iowa Trail Rider. We're here at the Wild Dog Ride near McKee, Kentucky. And it's another beautiful morning. Little chilly this morning, but beautiful type weather for riding. We've got 88 riders plus the staff out on the trails today. And two groups go out. An extreme ride group went out first. And we're in the semi-extreme group today. It's they tell us it's a rough ride, which we really enjoy. So it's not a place if you're not a really confident rider, and if you don't have a really experienced horse, don't come. This is not for you. But boy, if you are, and you like Caney Mountain, and you liked the Bighorns, and you know the Tetons was too easy for you, try this. This looks like this is going to be a lot of fun. This is a ride where they tell you to put borium on all 4 feet. There is some slick rocks, and I guess there is quite a bit of riding up creek beds like this, and the rocks can be slick. So if you do decide to come, make sure you got borium all 4 feet. Don't anybody ask if you need shoes. This is a yes. You absolutely need shoes and borium. Don't come with your boots. Don't come with your Mustang without shoes on. This one, to be safe and make sure, you know, those around you are safe. 4 shoes with borium. It's a beautiful spot for lunch. No, but I'd like to be next. It's usually a waterfall right up in there. It's just not quite, not enough water. Pretty here. beautiful Box Canyon we're riding back out of. Very pretty. Quite rocky. So proud of Casper today. He's being patient and being willing to wait. There's, I think they said about 60 horses riding with us this time, and there's times where you have to wait, and it's hard for a young horse sometimes, but he's sure doing a nice job today. He was a little more rambunctious yesterday. About 12 miles through these hills took the edge off. And he's really doing nice today. There are some places that are kind of tricky, like this one. Easy, Casper. Easy. There we go. For a horse of 5, he's really starting to pay attention to where his feet need to go and taking his time to, get through the rocks without rushing. Don't get me wrong, sometimes he's still rushing, but he's doing a lot better. He's doing better about horses trotting off in front of him, and not having to keep up every time, which is a relief. And nobody likes to fight that all the time. And we have had to do some trotting to keep up. Once in a while, the gaited horses get an open spot and kind of squirt out ahead of us. But Casper's getting better and better about learning if he just holds his pace that we will catch up. And yeah, he's really coming on, really doing nice. And it's just such a beautiful place. Been a really fun ride. We've done some jump ups and some hop downs and got through some big rocks and walked up the creek bottom, and it's just been a great time. Really enjoyed it. It looks like we're coming up to a cabin and a road. Oh yeah, a neat little place. Oh wow, what a pretty spot. Beautiful. Yeah. What a pretty spot. thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Sure appreciate the time that you took. And if you have questions, please leave them in the comments. I do my best to respond to all of those. And interestingly enough, 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribers to my channel. So for more people to be able to see my videos on YouTube, folks need to subscribe. So please, if you would take a moment, if you don't have a sign on for YouTube yet, if you would please do that, subscribe to the channel. Sure appreciate it. Happy trails from Beth Boyle, Iowa Trail Rider.